Welcome to Ecuador, our latest little adventure with World Vision. Families came from various nearby towns to be part of this innovative event, where for the first time ever, a child has the power to choose their own sponsor. The children came in one by one. Some of them have been waiting over a year for a sponsor. After a few moments of perusing their options, they were able to make their choice and pick the sponsor that they were drawn to. The power was in their hands. It was beautiful to see the pride, satisfaction, and joy in their faces as they made their selections. Then a young girl who seemed a little shy at first spent a few moments looking at the many sponsors. She was ready to make her choice. As I peeked in through the window, I saw her begin to reach for our photo. She picked us. Her name is Vanessa, and she is 10 years old. It was really emotional and heartwarming to see these children who have had some tough circumstances be so full of joy and have the freedom to make this decision for themselves. See how you can be chosen and help a child take hold of their future. The link is down below.